configuring the NFS server. So in this session we are going to discuss about the configuring the NFS server. So NFS is network file sharing, where you can share the files with the clients. Means you especially you can share a specific file and you can mount somewhere else. Okay. So NFS is allow admins to share the centralized directory with the users. Means this directory will be available to the other users. You can configure by editing the etc exports file, where you will enter the directory name which you want to share and your IP address. And IP address inside the bracket you can define the read only or the RW, read and write sync. So you can use the show mount command -e and the IP address, which will display you the shared directory over the NFS. Okay, so NFS is not being configured here, so I am skipping this. But I suggest you go and search how to enable the NFS or install the NFS on the Linux. Once you will do that, if you are not able to do, then I will explain you again. Another is a print service. Printing service allow the clients to print their data on a specific printer. So this is actually CUPS, the service name, which is provide the web-based printing. Web-based print administration means everything can be administered by using the web-based. It is the CUPS. Another is a LPR. LPR is a printing service. It is based on the command line. This is the CUPS is based on the web-based. This is the command line. Both are the printing services.